Hello students, how are you all? So today we are going to start next questions of exercise 10.5. Before this we have covered our theorem, that was 10.8, and some more theorem, and we also study about cyclic quadrilateral, and now we will start exercise 10.5 and remaining questions. So in this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have given in figure. So in this figure we have given, first of all, in figure 10.37, angle PQR equals to 100 degree, where P, Q and R are point on a circle with center O. Here we have to find value of angle OPR. So first of all we have given diagram. In this diagram, in figure, a circle with center O, and in which angle PQR equals to 100 degree, where PQ and R are points on the circle. So here center is O and PQR are the points on the circle, and we have to find angle OPR. So in this diagram, first of all we have angle PQR equal to 100 degree. So here we can find that this reflex angle, this will be equal to twice of angle PQR by theorem 10.8. So theorem 10.8 was the angle subtended by arc at center is twice the angle subtended by its angle at any other point. So according to that theorem we can say that reflex angle POR will be equal to twice of angle PQR. So in this, reflex angle POR will be equal to 2 into 100. So angle PQR is 100, so it will be 200. So we can say that this angle will be 200 degree. So it is reflex angle, and if we want to find next angle, that is, so after this, in angle reflex angle POR will be 200, so angle POR will become 360 minus 200. So 360 minus 200 will be 160. So here this angle will be 160 degree. This is 160 degree. Now after this, in this figure we can say that this OR and OP, they are equal. So OP and OR are equal because they are radii of same circle. So here if these sides are equal, then here we can say that angle OPR will be equals to angle ORP. So these two angles are equal. Why? Because angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Now in triangle POR, so when we take triangle POR, so by applying angle sum property we can say that angle POR plus angle OPR plus angle ORP equal to 180. So here angle POR, as we know value of POR is 160, so here we will write 160, and OPR and ORP are equal. So on place of this we can write twice angle OPR, because these angles are equal to 180. Now twice angle OPR will be equal to 180 minus 160. So angle OPR equals to 180 minus 160 will be 20. So 20 upon 2. Here angle OPR will equal to 10 degree. So answer will be 10 degree. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 4. In question number 4 we have given in figure angle ABC equal to 69 degree, angle ACB equal to 31 degree, and here we have to find angle BDC. So in figure, by solution we have here angle ABC equal to 69 degree and angle ABC 69, and in triangle, and one thing more here, angle ACB equal to 31 degree. So it is 69 and it is 31 degree. So in triangle ABC, by applying angle sum property, it will be angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180. That is angle BAC, angle ABC and angle ACB. So by putting value, angle BAC equals to value of ABC is 69 plus value of ACB is 31 and equal to 180. Now here angle BAC plus 69 and 30 will be 100. So this 100 will come this side. So 180 minus 100. So value of BAC will be 180 minus 100. It will be 80 degrees. So this angle will be 80 degree. Now after this, angle BAC will be equal to angle BDC. Why they are equal? Because they are on the same segment, and we study in one theorem that angle on the same segments are equal. So that's why we can say angle BAC equal to angle BDC, and if angle BAC is 80 degree, then we can say that angle BDC will also equal to 80 degree. So angle BDC equals to 80 degree. This will be the answer. Now after this, see next question. So next question, in question number 5 we have given in figure A, B, C and D are 4 points on a circle. AC and BD intersect at point E such that angle BEC equals to 130 degree and angle ECD equals to 20 degree. So here we have to find angle BAC. So first of all, in this figure we have given in figure A, B, C and D are 4 points on circle, and AC and BD intersect at point E. So here AC and BD intersect at point E, and angle BEC equals to 130. This angle is 130, and angle ECD this angle is 20 degree. This we have given. Now here we have to find angle BAC. So after this, in solution, first of all we have angle BEC equals to 130, angle ACD equals to 20 degree. Now we can say that angle ACD will be equal to angle ABD. Here ACD equals to angle ABD. Why they are equal? Because they are on the same segment AD. On AD, one angle is ABD and one angle is ACD. So these two angles will be equal. Why they are equal? Because angle on the same segment. So here we can say ABD will also 20 degree. Means this angle will also be 20 degree. Now after this, angle AEB plus angle BEC will be 180. Here angle AEB, this angle, and BEC, this angle, the sum of these angles will be 180 because they are linear pair angle. So by linear pair angle, the sum of these angles will be 180, and value of BEC is given 130. So here we can say angle AEB plus 130 equals to 180. So value of AEB will be 180 minus 130. So here value of AEB will be 50 degree. So this angle will be 50 degree. Now in triangle BAE or AEB, we can say that angle BAE plus angle AEB plus angle ABE equal to 180 by angle sum property. So here BAE, value of AEB is 50. AEB we have find 50 degree, and plus value of ABE we have given 20. So here ABE, this will also 20. It is 20. Now angle BAE plus 50 plus 20 will be 70, and here equals to 180. Now angle BAE will become 180 minus 70. So 180 minus 70 will be 110. So angle BAE will be 110 degree. So this angle BAE, this BAE is equals to 110, and this BAE is also equal to angle ABD. So here we can say that this angle BAC, this angle will be equal to 110 degree. So answer will be 110 degree. So the remaining questions of this exercise we will do in next session. So today your homework is, you can take your homework, you have to do exercise 10.5. Okay, up to here you have to complete your work, and in next session the remaining 4 questions of this exercise we will do in next session. So thank you for watching the video.